Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. So this is one of the last videos you're going to see of the Mark 6 Golf. It's going away soon. I'm here today with Zuned Ahmed. He's a proud new owner of the Volkswagen Polo, the red one. So you're going to see this on the channel a few times now and do some work to this car. So as you can see, the weather is very shit right now. So this is a 2010 Polo, is a red
2011
one.
actually.
Oh, 2011 actually.
11.
That's what he's saying. So we got this for £2,000, which is actually quite a bargain because he only has 80,000 miles on the clock. And this it is a category N, but for the price it's good because Volkswagen go for quite good money. So the reason it was category N was the door had a problem. The door was accident one, so it's been changed. There's not an issue with it. So the paintwork is immaculate. There's not a single scratch, nothing anywhere around the car. So we got a very good price on this car. And mechanical wise, it was very good. So for £2,000, it's a very good bargain. And there is a lot of work we can do to this car. Like it's missing fog lights and stuff. We can add them in. He wants to tint the windows on you, so we'll get them done. We're going to put some parking sensors in, maybe even reverse camera if he wants that, because he's going to struggle to see in the dark at night. This is a manual, but yeah, we'll have a look inside. I'll show you the outside first, and then you can have a look inside. This is what it looks like from behind, and there's my beautiful car. Okay. Let's go, guys. Alright, so this is a 3-door, but he doesn't carry much passengers, so he'll be alright. He doesn't carry much. Yeah, that's the only bad thing about this car, isn't it?
3-door, that's it.
So yeah. Okay, so this is the interior of the Polo. As you can see, it is a base model, but you do get quite a lot. So we've got the normal steering wheel, we've got no buttons on here. This can be changed if you want to. And what I noticed with the Polo is the steering is very light. So that's a very good car for small first car, I guess. This is his first car, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, so yeah. We got all this, we can change to LED. We're planning to change the stereo. I'm not sure which one he wants yet, so we're going to figure that out. He hasn't got auto lights, but that's a very easy fit as well. So he won't have to turn it on all the time. You could just leave it on auto and it'll come on at night itself. This car comes pretty much with everything really. The fuse box is there. You got 2 cup holders there. You got another cup holder there. You got another cup holder on that side, and you got another one there. So in total you got 1, 2, 4, 5 there. And do these black ones have any? Let's have a look. No, so you just got 5, so 1 for each passenger person, I guess, which is pretty good. And you got a nice cubby there, 12-volt socket, and you got a port there that I think something should be there, but this car doesn't have it, so we might be able to put something in there for us. He has got the aux as well, so get him an aux port. But if we change the system, it's probably going to be Bluetooth anyway. He's already got a phone holder, courtesy of the last person. And yeah, there's quite a few things we can do to this car. And we'll give you a quick start up. Make sure handbrakes on. Alright, you ready, guys? Beautiful start, guys. Okay, so it does need the service, but that's fine. So what I like about this screen is it's more modern. It's like a modern screen, that's what I like compared to, say, my one. This you can actually rev it to, there's no rev limiter on this. I could rev it to 6,000 if needed. Watch this, guys. How did I do before?
You just wait for top.
Oh, so 4,500 is the rev limiter there, but if I start the car and rev it, it does it 6,000.
You can do it if you want.
So we'll do that now, yeah? You ready? Handbrakes on, yeah? You ready, guys? You see that, guys? Alright. Okay, so you got 160 on the dash, but the max speed you can do is 120 something. 84,000 on the miles, which is not bad. You got the AC works in it, that's what she said. So we tested it all out. So the only thing really missing is probably heated seats. So if you did have heated seats, it'd either be here or it'll have a button here, which you can probably put in yourself afterwards. So we're planning to change this. We're going to get some a new one and then put the reverse camera or parking sensors in. And yeah, the back, it's not very spacious in the back, but it's a 3-door, so that's expected. So this is a very good car for a starter car. And in my car, you have like a sunglasses thing here. This one's missing it. They could have probably put it here if they wanted to, but it's the baseline model, I guess. These we can change to LED as well, so they brighten everyone and kill everyone. So yeah, for a very first car, it's very good. You got heated mirrors there. You got everything you need pretty much. Are you happy with this?
Yeah.
I'd be happy with it.
Why not? Yeah, of course.
For £2,000, you can't go wrong. It's a very good price, because they go for about 3,000 at the moment.
Yeah,
so
the cheapest we found was 3,400.
yeah, we found quite cheap, but then we haggled the lady down, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
We're very good hagglers, so yeah.
MrWaheedulHaque.
You have to make money somehow, guys. So that's how you do it, guys.
So do you think if I revamp this and sell it, how much will it go for?
Well, you're looking at £3,000 already, so you could probably put some more on if you add some features to it. So yeah, I think we should change alloys because they're quite small. I think we should pop them up at 1 inch or 2 inches. But yeah, there's quite a lot of work to be done on this car, so stay tuned for that. And Zuned will be making more appearances on the channel.
Yeah, I will be. I'll see you guys.
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.